What's up, guys? I just want to make a really quick video on this LS ECU. It is an automatic, converted it to manual, and I'll be adding Vtec. So just gonna make this really quick and easy. First off, manual, RP18, RP17, took those out, jumped RP18. On to the next. For Vtec, you need D11, which is a diode. Polarity goes this way with the silver going left. Next, you have IC14, which looks like those. You add that one. C60 is a 1 UF capacitor. And there is a polarity, so you have your positive and negative. So there's a plus, you'll see right there. So face it with the plus on C60. Jumper on J10. Then for R142, that one is a 10K, 143, that's a 51, and 144, that's a 12K resistor. So I'm going to be adding those. Obviously I already started that. The next thing you need is Q101 transistor. It's normally a D1423, but substitute with the 4305, which it goes Q37. And then you have a second one at Q26. Of course, this is for a 1980 ECU. So this one right here, R90 and C71 right there on the top, you remove those. Coming down here, J4 right there, you will remove that. Solder it in. That's pretty much it. I'll show you guys when I'm done. Alright guys, so pretty much finished with all that. Here's how it turned out. The back looks like factory. This section here is the chipping. Here's the Vtec. So the next thing I pretty much need to do is replace all the capacitors, and this ECU is pretty much ready on the market. So thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it.